When it comes to safeguarding your home in Crestview, Florida, many homeowners focus on alarm systems, surveillance cameras, and locks. However, one of the most important elements in your home's security is often overlooked: window installation. Your windows are a primary entry point for both you and potential intruders, and if not properly installed, they can create vulnerabilities that compromise your safety. Proper window installation is crucial for enhancing home security, and investing in high-quality installation services can provide lasting protection for your family and property. Here's why proper window installation is essential for home security in Crestview and how it can protect your home from unwanted threats. Securing entry points to your home. Windows are one of the most common entry points for burglars. If your windows aren't properly installed, it becomes much easier for an intruder to break into your home. Poorly fitted windows with gaps, faulty locks, or weak frames make it much easier for thieves to gain access to your home. In fact, windows that don't close securely can provide an easy way in, even without a key. Proper window installation ensures that your windows are tightly sealed and securely fitted within their frames. This helps eliminate any weak points that burglars could exploit. A professional window installer will ensure that your windows are installed with quality materials and secure locking mechanisms, making it significantly harder for criminals to break in. This simple yet crucial step can be the difference between a safe, secure home and one that's vulnerable to break-ins. Impact-resistant windows for extra protection. In Crestview, where severe weather such as hurricanes and storms is a common concern, having windows that are impact-resistant is an essential part of home security. Windows that aren't properly installed or aren't made from durable materials are more susceptible to being shattered by strong winds, flying debris, or other forces. Broken windows can lead to increased vulnerability, both from a security and a weather perspective. Impact-resistant windows are designed to withstand strong forces, preventing them from shattering easily. Proper installation of these windows ensures that they function as intended, providing not just protection from storms but also added security against break-ins. Whether you live in an area that's prone to hurricanes or just want the added peace of mind, impact-resistant windows combined with professional installation can make your home safer during adverse weather conditions. Enhancing window locking mechanism. Windows are only as secure as their locks, and faulty or outdated window locks are one of the biggest security risks for homeowners. Improper installation can lead to misaligned locks, broken hardware, or locking mechanisms that fail to engage correctly. This makes it much easier for burglars to break in, especially if they know that a window isn't properly locked. By ensuring your windows are properly installed, you're also ensuring that their locking systems are aligned, secure, and functioning properly. Modern windows come with a variety of advanced locking features, such as multi-point locks or keyless entry systems, which provide better security compared to traditional locks. A professional window installer will make sure that these locks are properly integrated into the window frame, providing an additional layer of security to prevent unauthorized access. Increasing energy efficiency and deterrence. proper window installation can also have an indirect impact on your home's security by increasing its energy efficiency. When windows are installed correctly, they are less likely to allow drafts or gaps to form. This tight seal keeps the internal temperature of your home stable, reducing the need for constant heating and cooling, and lowering your energy bills. From a security perspective, a well-insulated home with properly sealed windows is less likely to attract attention from burglars. Energy-efficient windows help maintain your home's comfort, but they also help reduce the visibility of your interior from the outside. By properly installing energy-efficient windows, you also create a more private and secure environment, making it harder for criminals to assess the value of what's inside your home. Minimizing the risk of window-related accidents. Proper installation also minimizes the risk of accidents. In homes with children or elderly family members, improperly installed windows can become a safety hazard. For instance, windows that don't open or close easily can pose a risk during emergencies when quick access is needed. Likewise, windows that aren't properly secured may allow children to accidentally fall out if they are left open. By investing in professional window installation, you're ensuring that your windows operate smoothly and safely. A well-installed window should be easy to open and close without risk of injury, and it should stay securely in place when closed. This is especially important for ground floor windows or windows near walkways where there's an increased risk of faults. Aesthetic value and deterrence. In addition to security, proper window installation also improves your home's aesthetic value. Well-installed windows can make your home look more polished and well-maintained, which adds to its overall curb appeal. Homes with outdated, damaged, or poorly installed windows often appear neglected, which could make them more attractive targets for burglars. On the other hand, a home with new, properly installed windows signals that the owner is attentive to detail and likely to invest in securing their property. In areas like Crestview, where many homes are surrounded by beautiful landscapes and architectural features, the visual appeal of properly installed windows can elevate your home's charm and reduce its likelihood of being targeted by criminals. Conclusion. Proper window installation is one of the most important steps you can take to improve your home's security in Crestview. Whether you're concerned about preventing break-ins, protecting your home from storms, or ensuring the safety of your family, quality window installation offers a range of benefits that go beyond just aesthetics. With the right installation, your windows will be more secure, energy efficient, and safer to use, giving you peace of mind knowing your home is well protected. By working with a professional window installer, you can ensure that your windows are correctly fitted, aligned, and equipped with the best security features to keep your home safe for years to come.